Here, welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today sorry about that pillow, it just so happened. First ball out, number 5. Happened yesterday. Second ball out, number 23. Third ball out, number 67. Fourth ball out, number 13. Unlucky number. Fifth and final number is number 6. No, it's pretty quick. Yep, and you guessed it. And the lightning ball is 35. Those numbers again in ascending order are 5, 6, 13, 23, and 67. And the lightning ball is 35. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all tomorrow for tomorrow's bingo draw. Bye for now.